Hello everyone, welcome to week 3 of Cryptoria. This week we have a lot of changes and bug fixes, and I've gotten the first mission to be playable. I think I'm going to be playing one of the first missions here. This is mission number 2 here, while we're talking here. First off, it's a really good way to just straight up show off the game. Let's see if we can get this started here. So first, we got some very noticeable changes here. The dungeon heart is new. We removed the Overlord because it was just too much of a chore to really keep track on, and I thought I was going to have some kind of commander type unit, but it really just every focus was on him and nothing else, which really takes away from the sim type that Dungeon Keeper is known for. So I removed him and added the Dungeon Heart, which in my opinion, it looks decent now at least, and it added a lot more to the game than it did before. I'm just gonna start digging so we get something done before the end of the video. But let's move on here. We added the minimap, a really nice UI change. Before we had a lot of problem with players trying to find the portal, and without having the minimap, it was just they started the game by going in a large circle around everything, trying to find the portal. So that added a lot of it. We've also breaking up the UI. Before, every single thing was on the same tile set here. So I changed it to be 3 different sets. So we have the creature tab, which is this one. We have the construction set, and we have the spell set. So yeah, that looks a lot more clean, and you know which one you are, and there's only things related to that type of tab. Because the other one was way too cluttered and it didn't work out. So we have also added the little information tab here. In this case, we have claimed a portal, which is a good way of just giving information to the player. So there, I'm just gonna summon some more worker here and start building some rooms. Let's see here. So yeah, we've added a new creature to the game called the Sorcerer. I added him the same time as I added the library room. Let's see if we can build some libraries here. I want to get a lot of sorcerers, so let's build like this. Maybe build a little treasury up here. Yes, we've also added the graveyard, which is allows you to summon more workers. That's kind of experimental right now. We'll see if it pans out. The current thing is you can have 5 workers. If you want to get more than that, you build a graveyard, and the more tombstones you have in the graveyard, the more workers you can summon. We'll see if that pans out, but it's just something I'm throwing out there at the moment. And then we have the training room. It doesn't work right now, but the gist of it is that you throw down a training room and you can start training your creatures to be a higher level. And yes, that's what we have currently in the game. We've also added some environment stuff here, like as you can see here, there's a little room here. I think that's a lake. This is the water. It looks like a little pathway there. So we've added water, we added the portal. I know that one was probably in last time as well. But we've also added enemies to the game as well. Let's see if when we start summoning orcs, some things should start happening on this level. Looks like we're going to start claiming here. We've also added little animations to the claiming. Before they just ran it and just tagged everything straight away. Now we've added, as you can see, he's trying to claim this wall here. It's taking a long time. Same with these guys. They claim and then they jump to claim it. Go. Well, let's add a little lair for the creatures to sleep and a hatchery for them to eat. Oh yeah, maybe that's something I missed as well. You can now pick up creatures as well. Let's finish this one. So you can click on this icon here and you can pick up the creatures, or you can click on them directly to pick them up and put them down wherever you want. Looks like an orc has entered. Good, good. Let's build a library because I want to show off the sorceress as well. There we go. So, let's see here. We need some more money, I think. Let's put a little treasure there. But yeah, so, oh, there we go. No. Oh, it looks like a digger has been dispatched. Ooh. So yeah, the I've also added enemies to the game now. We currently have 3 enemies in the game. We have the diggers, the footman, and the lord. The diggers, they dig towards you, as we'll probably see him approach somewhere, maybe from over here or from over here, I think. We'll see that. Oh, yep, looks like he's over here. Yeah, there he is. So the digger, their objective is really simple. They dig towards the dungeon heart. That's it. That's all they do. And after that, he comes from a gate, but after him is going to be waves of heroes that come towards you. I said in my last, one of the last videos that I was going to add like 2 different modes to the game, which is going to be like wave type defense and the and more of a attacking. So either this level is as a hybrid one. Oh, looks like that right now. Let's throw down some guys here. We've also added, all right, the combat. So if you're in combat, you can see their health. You can see this is the enemy and this is my guys here. Looks like very. I don't have any icons for them yet, but it looks like we won that one. So we have this is the defense mode. Currently, the enemies are coming from a gate over here. As you saw, they sent a digger first to dig his way to the dungeon heart. So now they have a direct path to my dungeon heart. So next waves are probably going to be more, defensive. There's going to be a lot of footmen. Maybe the lord will come. And they're going to be a lot more dangerous than just a single digger, because they're pretty much just workers, but a little bit stronger. So that's going to be what I have there. The other mode is going to be attacking. So maybe the lords have a castle or something over here. You have to take up your creatures, train them up, and then send them to destroy your enemies. Those are the 2 types of modes that I have in store right now. Yes, let me just check around here that I didn't miss anything. Looks like that was it. Yes, not just a little bit. I think I've added quite a lot in 3 weeks here. Next week I'm probably gonna focus on the more graphical things and getting the training room working and the library working. Because currently everything looks really kind of bland and there's no shadows, no lighting. I want it to be a bit more dark, and I'm gonna focus on more graphical things next week. Maybe get the bed icons as well fixed. But yeah, that's what I have right now. Thanks all of you for watching my weekly devlog. I'm having a lot of fun with this. This has probably been one of my most exciting projects I've ever done. And yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying the updates as well. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to subscribe so I can share this video as far as I can. And as always, the assets for this project can be found in the description. Yeah, I'll see you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.